What's up, guys? Just a little follow-up on what we've been doing with the Turdbird project. It's been swinging and having a good time down on the res, and I've let a few of my buddies drive it, and they've had a good time with it. So that's what this video is just us swinging and having fun on the Turdbird. We had Josh Leatherborough from Hostile Drift Crew. Check him out on YouTube. We had Gooshy Bird, my buddy, take it out. And the car actually does pretty good for a 150,000-mile, 3.8-liter V6. So like and subscribe. See you next time. And if you want to see this car in person and a bunch of other ones, August 13th is our next Under the Lights Drift Show. Come on down, and we're having side-by-side time challenges. So come on down and compete for some prizes. Like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Enough talking. Let's get into the burnouts.
Alrighty, there goes one. Oh, he's taking one with him. Oh, shot that one out. And there goes another one. Dick, I thought you were a Mustang. Yeah. I did not think this thing was going to slide like this. It's actually not doing bad. Okay, calm it down.
Oh my God, he's actually whipping that bitch. He's actually whipping that hog. Yo, he's getting it. Come here, Steve.
That one sucks. You're just messing with
Don't worry, folks. That's just the exhaust hanging off of it. The Turdbird in action, folks. I know, it's tough. Dude, he's not holding back. Let it in, brother. My goodness. Yo, it's like a $1,300 pile of garbage. Yo, we're gonna need you to stop, brother. I know, it's so much
So the Turdbird lives at Big Indian. The owner messaged me and said, hey man, can we paint the Turdbird? And I said, go for it, I don't care. And then I come down here to this. Yo, they put pink flames on it. Rally in the Woods. I mean, it does look way cooler than the crap I had on there. But pink flames, come on, man. But it does look pretty good. Like and subscribe, guys. The Turdbird is down here ripping and tearing. Come down and see it Wednesday cruise night, Saturday, August 13th. We'll be doing another burnout show, so it'll be down here for that. Hopefully you like this little Turdbird montage.